வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் வீரவ பழனிசாமி. நம்ம யூபிஎஸ்சி சிவில் சர்வீஸ் எக்ஸாம் 2024 கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அந்த வகையில் நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறது GS3 ஜெனரல் ஸ்டடீஸ் பேப்பர் 3 அண்ட் இட் கவர்ஸ் எக்கானமி, சயின்ஸ் அண்ட் டெக்னாலஜி, என்விரான்மெண்ட்டு அண்ட் செக்யூரிட்டி இஷ்யூஸ் பார்க்கலாம். As usual, instructions, paper 3, time allowed 3 hours, maximum 250 marks. So, maximum 250 marks and 3 hours. And instruction mottham total 20 questions, both English and Hindi. And especially language மாணவர்கள் வந்து questions, it will be English and Hindi only. You have to translate and write in your own language. All are compulsory. Number carried on it's indicated against it. So answers must be written in medium authorized in admission certificate. Admission certificate என்ன லாங்குவேஜ் எழுதணும் சொல்லியிருக்கோமோ அதை தான் எழுதணும். And it should be clearly mentioned in the cover of this question come answer sheet booklet. And no marks will be given if you write other medium. And இதில் வந்து answer 1 to 10 வந்து 150 words, 10 mark, 10 mark each, and 11 to 20, 250 words each. And keep the word limit and page also portion இது blank இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை நம்ம கட் பண்ணிடுறோம். ரைட்? ஓகே. First question. Examine the pattern and trend of public expenditure in social service in post-reform period in India. To what extent this has been in consonance with achieving the objective of inclusive growth. 150 words, 10 marks. First 10 questions எல்லாமே 150 words and 10 marks. Second question. What are the causes of persistent high food inflation in India? Comment on the effectiveness of monetary policy of RBI to control this type of inflation. Third question. What were the factors responsible for the successful implementation of learn reforms in some parts of the country? Elaborate. See the answer. Elaborate. Fourth question. Explain the role of millets in ensuring health and nutritional security in India. Okay. Fifth question. What is the present world scenario of intellectual property rights with respect to life material? Although India is second in the world to file patents, still only few have been commercialized. Explain the reasons behind this less commercializations. Very, very important. Sixth question. What is the technology being employed for electronic toll collection on highways? Very latest. What are the advantages and limitations? What are the proposed changes that will make this process seamless? Would this transition carry any potential hazards? Seventh question. Industrial pollution of river water is a significant environmental issue in India. Discuss the various mitigation process measures to deal with this problem and also the government's initiative in this regard. Eighth question. What role do environmental NGOs and activists play in influencing environmental impact assessment EIA outcomes for major projects in India? Cite 4 examples with all important details. Very good. Ninth question. Explain how narco-terrorism has emerged as a serious threat across the country. Suggest suitable measures to counter narco-terrorism. And 10th question. Describe the context and salient features of the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2013. இதுவரைக்கும் 150 words, 10 marks. 11 இருந்து we have 250 words and 15 marks. Discuss the merits and demerits of the 4 labor codes in the context of labor market reforms in India. What has been the progress so far in this regard? 12th question. What is the need for expanding the regional air connectivity in India? In this context, discuss the government Udan and its achievement. 13th question. What are the major challenges faced by Indian irrigation system in recent times? State the measures taken by the government for efficient irrigation management. And 14th question. Elucidate the importance of buffer stocks for stabilizing agriculture prices in India. What are the challenges associated with the storage of buffer stock? And discuss, very important, discuss, elucidate and discuss. 15th question. The world is facing an acute shortage of clean and safer fresh water. What are the alternative technologies which can solve this crisis? Briefly discuss any 3 such technologies, citing the key merits and demerits. Key merits and demerits. 16th question. What are asteroids? Asteroids. How real is the threat of them causing extinction of life? What strategies have been developed to prevent such catastrophe? 17th question. What is disaster resilience? How it is determined? Describe various elements of resilience framework. Also mention the global targets of Sendai framework for disaster risk reduction 2015 to 2030. And 18th question. Flooding in urban area is an emerging climatic induced disaster. Discuss the causes of this disaster. Mention the features of 2 such major floods in the last 2 decades in India. Describe the policies and frameworks in India that aim at tackling such floods. 19th question. India has a long and troubled border with China, Pakistan, fraught with contentious issues. Examine the conflicting issues and security challenges along the border. Also, give out the development being undertaken in these areas under Border Area Development Program BADP, Border Infrastructure and Management Scheme BIM. And last question, 20th question. Social media and encrypting messages services pose a serious security challenge. What measures have been adopted at various levels to address the security implications of social media? Also suggest any other remedies to address the problem. Right? So thank you very much. We will see the 4th paper, that is ethics paper. That is a lengthy paper. Again, definitely we'll see that. So thank you very much.
வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.